Sometimes the plans you have for the day don't always work out the way you want to. So, you need to come up with something else to do. And believe me, there's plenty to do. I think we're done with snow for the year, so it's time to take the plow off so we can use it for the next piece of equipment we need. So the tractor isn't running efficiently at this moment, so I'm going to have to replace the points. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to take off the post pounder. Post pounder is off. Now I can get in there and see if I can make it happen. Anytime I mess with the distributor cap, I always label with some tape all my wires and the position of the distributor cap. Now it's time to get in here and replace the points in the condenser, but it's going to be too small of an area for me to be videotaping while I do it, so you'll just have to see it when it's done. Alright, I got that all cleaned up and replaced the point and the solenoids. That spring was actually broken in two. So now I gotta turn it over and get that rocker thing on the high point and get a proper gap on there. After changing the points and the wires, rotary cap, we are still having issues. I even put a new coil in, and we're going to have to work on this some more and see what happens. It's Sunday and the tractor parts store is closed, so it looks like I'm going to be cleaning the yard up today.
It's a very relaxing chore, and trust me, I could use the exercise.
So I told myself I wasn't going to get a bunch of stuff to start my YouTube channel yet until I saw how it was going. But I found it was a bit of a pain in the butt trying to hold my iPad. So I got myself an iPad mount. So then I can take my iPad and stick it in here. Ooh, that's nice. Holds on to it real good. Spring action. Tighten that up a little better. Just like that. Now I can set it on my iPad or my tripod and not have my iPad fall off the back of the trailer like it did yesterday. I can edit this just a second. Don't do anything. I'll just edit that crap out. This is an old tripod, probably older than I am. We used to watch our old home videos on it. Used to be holding the screen up. The Super 8. Alright, so there you go. Seems like a real sturdy product. That is called the Elite Hood. Okay, another thing I got was some rear view mirrors for the Gator, because then I can see myself dropping off my iPad off the trailer. These will be good. They'll mount right.
Nice size.
Yeah, there's two of them. I only really needed one, but I figured might as well get the set. So I don't have the Gator with me right now, but you'll mount it like that with this clip that goes right on the roll bar. And ooh, that's a nice pivot. And then it's supposed to pivot the other way too. So that's going to make it nicer. Now I can see Papa behind me on the tractor. Well, it's unfortunate that we didn't get the tractor fixed today. I really wanted to be able to show you us working in the grapes and pounding post. But instead, we went and got ourselves some 2x4s, drywall, and the exhaust fan. Now tomorrow it's going to be 36 degrees and we'll want to be working inside. So Dad, after I had you unload all that lumber and drywall, are you thinking it's enough for tonight?
Yes, I'm going to park this truck and I'm through for the night.
Alrighty, I'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
So just like I said in my intro video, it's been a couple of years since I've been wanting to do this YouTube channel, and I'm looking forward to its growth. I would say the editing is a little challenging, and I couldn't figure out the thumbnail for the life of me. But it's kind of fun, and I plan on committing to the journey. So you'll be seeing a lot of me in the next weeks to come. I have a lot of content to share. Between the house and the grapes and the yards, there's something different every day. For this is Farmhouse on the Vineyard. I'd like to thank you for joining me this week. And I'd also like to ask you to do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, and of course, don't forget to smash the little like button.